Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add double line page border in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add double line page border. Go to the home menu, then click draw text box, then zoom out the document and draw a text box over the page. Then click the text box and go to the shape format menu, then click shape outline. Now I choose the red color, then again go back this shape outline option and go to the dash h option, then go to more lines. We can see here opened a navigation bar. Now we click the compound type and choose double line, then click OK. Now we zoom out this document and we can see here we put it or added double line page border very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.